In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Google's new Google Analytics 4 connector for Google Sheets. You can use this connector to pull data into Google Sheets for custom reporting and other requirements. Pulling GA4 data into Google Sheets lets you visualize, modify, and merge data. This is a quick and easy option that you can use alongside Looker Studio for your reporting and analysis needs. It gives you one more way to access your data from GA4. Okay, let's get started. Let's head to Google Sheets. I've already created a new spreadsheet, so let's select Extensions, then Add-ons, and let's select Get Add-ons. Now let's search for GA4 Reports Builder and select the add-on created by Google. Now let's install the add-on. We need to click Continue. Select our Google account and allow the add-on to access Google Analytics. The add-on has now been installed. Let's click Done and close the Marketplace window. Now let's select Extensions, and we can see the GA4 Reports Builder is listed. If you don't see it listed, I have noticed it can take a minute or so to appear, so if it's not there straight away, I recommend waiting a moment and then refreshing the page. Does it pop up straight away for you, or does it take a moment? Let me know in the comments below. Let's select Create New Report. It takes a moment to load. We can name the report. Select the Google Analytics account and the Google Analytics property. Then we select the date range we want to use for the report, so the start date and end date. Now we can select the dimensions we want to add. Dimensions will be the rows of information that get added to your spreadsheet. For my report, I'm going to search for and select Landing Page. Now we can select the metrics we want to add. Metrics will be the columns in your spreadsheet. Metrics are typically numbers, percentages, or ratios. I'm going to add sessions, active users, and new users to my report. What type of report are you going to create in Google Sheets? And what dimensions and metrics are you going to use in your spreadsheet? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. Now that we've selected our account, property, and date range, and we've chosen the dimensions and metrics we want to include, let's click Create Report. This creates a new tab in our spreadsheet called Report Configuration. We can see it includes all of our selections. Okay, now the next step is to run the report. To do this, let's select Extensions and select the GA4 Reports Builder again. But this time, let's select Run Reports. The add-on pulls data from our GA4 property, and we can see the report has been created. So let's click OK. Now we can see a tab has been created with the name of our report. The tab includes some summary details at the top, and we can see the dimensions and metrics we selected. We've pulled data from GA4 into Google Sheets. Now we can begin to use the data. For example, we can select the landing page dimension and the sessions metric. Then choose Insert, then Chart. And we can begin to visualize our data in Google Sheets. Apart from connecting to Google Sheets, there are even more ways to use GA4. You can create custom exploration reports, connect to Looker Studio, and more. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel to learn everything else you can do with GA4. You'll learn how to improve your website and campaigns to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.